Dr.C.V.Suresh Babu's Virtual Classroom presents Business Economics series.
Investment banking versus commercial banking. Introduction. Based on the work performed by the banks, the financial industry is bifurcated into two major segments, that is, investment bank and commercial bank. Commercial banks is set up for the purpose of concluding commercial transactions such as legally take deposits and lend money to the customers like individual corporates. On the other hand, investment banks are established to offer services to investors. The operations of investment banks is different and acts as an intermediary between buyers and sellers of stock and bond that helps clients in raising capital. Investment banks.
How do startups fund their world-changing ideas? Where do universities go to grow their endowments? How can a bond revitalize a community? What makes these things possible? It takes a willingness to challenge, to collaborate, to be open to new opportunities and experiences. It takes ambition, curiosity, dialogue, and dedication. It takes relationship builders, market makers, engineers, and thought leaders. It takes a deep history and a forward-looking culture, a commitment to our clients, and a passion for learning and giving back. At Goldman Sachs, we believe each of us is a catalyst that turns ideas into reality. Connecting those ideas with people and capital is our business, and your perspective is what makes us different. When you arrive, what will you make possible?
Commercial banking.
Indian Bank has emerged a perfect fit for that. As a common man's bank, providing all financial products and services under one roof, at affordable cost and in a fair and transparent manner to all the customers. It continues to offer its customers an advanced banking experience powered by a wise thinking and modern technology. With about 10,000 customer touchpoints across the nation, last mile connectivity is ensured. Because banking needs are as varied as we are, Indian Bank offers a financial solution for every individual and institution. IB Surabhi SB account, on the other hand, helps a woman, be a homemaker or a working girl, be more independent by offering benefits on withdrawals, lockers, shopping, loans besides insurance coverage. Our curated schemes for senior citizens, whether on loans or investment options, is a hit with the elderly who appreciate the special care we take of them. By availing SMEs, secure or trade finance, Dr. Plus or IB contractor, many and MSME units have flourished and contributed remarkably to India's economy. To provide thrift, credit and other financial services to the poor, self-help groups are a critical enabler, and we in turn enable them with our many SHG linkage programs. Under the large minor rates of growth, however, lies a solid foundation of agriculture, and Indian Bank has been a champion of its prosperity since its inception. Our corporate social responsibility initiatives, we continue working towards multifarious causes like women empowerment, health and hygiene, and environmental upgradation. But we know there is a long road ahead and still so much more to do. At Indian Bank, being Indian is our way and being universal is our spirit. Indian Bank, your own bank.
Now let us see some differences between the investment banking and the commercial banking based on the following factors. Income. Investment banking earn money through the fees charged for providing services, whereas commercial banking earn money through the interest charged on the loans. Of institution. Investment banking is a non-depository type of institution, whereas commercial banking is a depository type of institution. Investment banking deals with the long-time financial operations of company, whereas in commercial banking it deals with the day-to-day financial activities. Of operations. The chief operation of investment banks is to provide services to big corporate houses and governments in the area of advice for mergers and acquisitions and underwriting services, and then sales, trading and corporate broking and research. As in here, the chief operations of commercial banks include maintaining checking and savings account for the businesses and individuals and accepting deposits, then lending money as a loan for a variety of purposes such as business, buying new cars or house, or personal expenses. Risk tolerance. In investment banking, there is a higher risk due to two factors because of the nature of the business of an investment bank, and second is a weaker regulatory requirement. Whereas in commercial bank have much lower risk exposure due to strong government regulations, and the nature of work of commercial bank implicitly involves responsibility towards its customers. Customer base. In investment banking, there are only limited customers, maybe less than few hundreds, but here they have millions of customers. Providing services. In investment banking, it provides services to investors, corporates, government. Here they provide services to the public. Regulation. It is regulated by the country's security agents, whereas in commercial bank it is regulated by the central bank of country. Primary purpose. Investment bank's primary purpose is to buy and sell stocks and bonds, whereas in commercial banking, the primary purpose is deposits, mortgage loans, and lending loans. Target market. In investment banking, they follow a narrow target market which includes high net worth individuals, corporates, governments, etc. In commercial market, they follow a wide target market that includes regular people, small or medium enterprises, large corporate business, etc. Deposit. Investment banks do not accept deposits as they don't need these. Investment banks are in the business of lending. They mainly give advisory services, so they don't need such funding. In commercial banking, these deposits are known as fixed deposits that mature in stipulated period of time, and commercial banks have to pay interest on these deposits. These deposits are necessary for commercial banks to fund their lending business in the process of credit creation. Investment banking do not provide loans, whereas commercial banking provide loans to the public. Branches. It has less than 10 branches, whereas in commercial banks usually have more than 50 branches in a country. Underwriter. In investment banking, it is allowed to work as an underwriter, whereas in commercial banking, underwriter is not allowed. Creditors. Here, investors are the creditors in investment bank, whereas bank are creditors in the commercial bank. Debtors. Companies are the debtors in investment banking, whereas public are the debtors in commercial banking.
Thank you, friends. We will meet you at the next informative video. Until then, take care. If you like the video, like it, share it, and share your valuable comments with us. Do subscribe our channel for more useful videos. Take care. Have a nice day.
For more detailed information, refer to our book, Business Economics, Simplified, by Dr.C.V.Suresh Babu. Highlights of our simplified series. Why should I learn this chapter? Snapshot. Frequently asked question. Summary. Activity. Assignment. Video online. Just before exam. Test yourself. Keywords. Further readings. For more tutorial videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.